Hi, I'm Sharad from Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh. I have started learning Kalaripayattu in 2021. I have seen, I have spoke with Vishnu sir and he said, I can teach you some of the things online. Rest you need to come and learn at LP. So till 2022 May, I have learnt in online. Then due to some works or due to the fear, I didn't come to Alapi and try to learn. So after a long time, now I have taken the step and I have come here. While coming, I had so much of doubts in my head because some of the people they started saying it's very hard. So you need. They started saying like you go there, they split your leg into two, things like that, and it is very hard. So I thought, okay, let me go there and see personally. Coming here, I felt like I'm really lucky. I have learned a lot, and based on my experience, I can say SAR knows clearly what your body type is and what your ability is. So, based on the ability and the body flexibility you have, he teaches accordingly. And I can say you that for sure. And you may say why to learn Kalaripayattu and all, because I don't want to go and fight somewhere else. Kalaripayattu is not something only for fighting and all. It makes you physically as well as mentally strong. So I would recommend everyone, each and everyone, at this current stage, it is very, very, very important to learn Kalaripayattu. And especially this was taught by Lord Shivaji to the Parshuram. So it is really special. And today's generation, you feel very difficult to find a proper mentor. And I can assure you, Vishnu sir is the best, I can say, because he has pushed the limits of mine as well. And today I am really happy. I want you to explore yourself. Come here, or if you don't have time to come here, speak with sir, take online classes, see yourself, spend some time every day for this than spending on some social media on this and that and wasting your life. At one point you feel very happy that and you have learned Kalaripayattu from under a proper mentor. So I don't want you to take this for granted. Take this seriously. Try to learn. If not, you spread the message. Make your kids or someone near you spread this message. Make them take advantage of this. And don't waste the way I have wasted my 1.5 year time. Once time is lost, it's lost forever. Thank you very much.